Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about letter X having curve. So here you can observe there is a curve instead of the angles that we have seen before. So that's the difference between this X and this X. What does it help us know? Well, these are the type of the writers who, instead of analyzing a particular thoughts, they will try to understand it. Now, it may take some time to understand those thoughts as there is curve instead of pointed. Pointed writers are able to take quick decisions, or fast thinkers, etc. Yet since here it's rounded, so these are the writer who take some time to understand or do something, take decisions, etc. So they try to understand instead of thinking, am I frustrated? Am I frustrated? I am frustrated. They will keep thinking, why am I frustrated? What this particular situation is trying to teach me, and what can I learn from it? What is good? What is bad? Etc. Other than that, these are the writers who are someone where their emotions are connected to their thoughts. So whenever they speak out something, they speak with emotions. So there are some speakers where we easily get related to as they speak with emotions. They generate emotions in others or the audience. And that is the reason audience are able to learn from them in a much more simple manner. It shows that they have simple way of thinking and are able to explain things to others in a much more simple manner. So that's all about this particular X. I believe you learned something new. The difference between this X and this X is the angle. Here it's angle, while here it's loop. Not loop, curve. And what does it help us know? The writer is someone who takes some time to understand their thoughts, yet whenever they understand, they are able to improve whatever bad things are happening in between them or inside their mind. Their emotions are connected to their thoughts, and they have simple way of thinking and are able to explain their thoughts to others in a much more simple manner. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning, let's keep growing, and if you want to take notes, you can take notes from here.